Hey there, snack lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're ready to discover 5 healthy snack recipes for weight loss. So, let's get started. Wait! Before starting snack recipe video, we introduce you with alpha-liin, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Recipe 5. Veggie sticks with guacamole. We're kicking things off with a fresh and creamy snack, veggie sticks with guacamole. Slice assorted vegetables into sticks and serve them with creamy guacamole. It's a nutrient-packed snack that combines the goodness of veggies with the creamy richness of avocados. Recipe 4. Apple slices with peanut butter. For a classic and nutritious snack, try apple slices with peanut butter. Slice fresh apples and serve them with a dollop of natural peanut butter. If you like, sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon for added flavor. It's a satisfying and protein-rich snack that will keep you full and fueled. Get this amazing product. Click the link in the description below. Recipe 3. Almonds and dark chocolate. If you're looking for a satisfying and sweet snack, try a mix of almonds and dark chocolate. Combine raw or roasted almonds with dark chocolate chips or chunks. If you like, sprinkle a pinch of sea salt for that sweet and salty combination. It's a delightful snack that provides healthy fats from almonds and the antioxidant benefits of dark chocolate. Recipe 2. Sliced cucumber with hummus. For a refreshing and crunchy snack, try sliced cucumber with hummus. Simply slice fresh cucumbers and serve them with a generous dollop of hummus. You can also top them with cherry tomatoes, olives, or crumbled feta cheese for extra flavor. It's a low-calorie, fiber-rich snack that's perfect for satisfying your cravings between meals. Recipe 1. Greek yogurt and berry parfait. Let's wrap up with a Greek yogurt and berry parfait that's both nutritious and oh so delicious in a glass or bowl. Layer Greek yogurt with mixed berries. Drizzle with honey or maple syrup for added sweetness if you like, and sprinkle some granola on top for that satisfying crunch. It's a high-protein, low-calorie treat that will curb your sweet tooth while supporting your weight loss goals. Ready to shed those extra pounds? Get alpha-liin? Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. We'll see you in the next video!